Hey there, fellow creators! Welcome to Varnin Vishal, your ultimate destination for creating captivating short videos. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of short video content, tailored specifically for our viewers. Let's get started. Short videos have become a sensation, and we're here to help you create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're into comedy skits, lip-syncing, DIY projects, or showcasing your talents, we'll guide you through the process of crafting compelling short videos that leave a lasting impact. When creating content for an audience, it's crucial to understand their preferences and interests. Research trending topics, popular challenges, or cultural references that appeal to the viewers. This knowledge will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Before you start filming, it's essential to define the purpose of your video. Are you aiming to entertain, educate, inspire, or simply share a moment? Understanding the goals of your video will help you create content that resonates with your viewers and aligns with their interests. Short videos are like miniature stories, and storytelling is key to keeping your audience engaged. Craft a clear narrative structure with a captivating beginning, an engaging middle, and a satisfying conclusion. This will create a sense of anticipation and keep your viewers hooked until the end. Viewers appreciate visually appealing content. Consider the aesthetics that resonate with the audience. Experiment with colors, lighting, and compositions that evoke a sense of familiarity or reflect the culture of your viewers. Creating visually pleasing videos will capture the attention of your viewers. With short videos, you have a limited window to capture your viewers' attention. Use attention-grabbing visuals, impactful captions, or quick cuts to immediately hook your audience and make them curious to see more. Grabbing their attention from the start is crucial for the success of your video. Editing is where your short videos come to life. Utilize editing software or mobile apps to add effects, transitions, music, and captions that enhance the overall quality of your content. Experiment with editing techniques that align with the preferences of your audience, ensuring a polished final product. Sound plays a significant role in short videos. Choose background music, sound effects, or even voiceovers that complement your visuals and evoke the desired emotions. Select music genres or styles that resonate with the viewers, creating an immersive audiovisual experience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a strong community around your short videos. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts or participate in challenges. Cultivating a community will help you grow and connect with like-minded creators. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating engaging short videos specifically tailored for your viewers. We hope these tips inspire you to create content that resonates with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe to Varnin Vishal for more exciting content and tutorials. Happy creating!